fucking thing. It's a microwave, Gary. It still doesn't fucking work. It's okay, Joseph. I've invited someone round to fix it. It better not be one of your weird friends. No, this one's normal. He's very normal, actually. I'll have you know. He'll be fine, Joseph. Don't worry about it. He'll have it fixed in a jiffy. I'm away to the bathroom, Gary. No problem. Oh, he's here now. Whatever.
Alright, pal, how's it going?
Hello? Who are you?
I'm the repairman, pal. I'm here to fix your microwave.
You're not exactly who I was expecting.
Can I come in or no?
Okay. It's through here.
The traffic was absolutely fucking horrendous. Ah!
Oh, I can imagine.
Just got done repairing somebody's burst pipe. The place was a pigsty. All I had to do was look at the fucking thing for it to explode and cover the whole square mile in sewage. I was practically up to my balls in shite. Ah!
Well, anyway, it's right here.
Do you ken your house takes 900,000 steps to get to?
Yes, that is quite a lot, actually.
Anyway, pal, what's up with your microwave?
Well, you see, I put a roast chicken in there.
Right?
And then I left it in there for about 3 hours. And when we opened the door, there was nothing but feathers and yolk.
Right?
I'm not entirely sure if this is how microwaves are supposed to work, but it seems to have gone in reverse somehow.
Right?
So I was hoping you could maybe unreverse it.
Aye. No bother, pal. None at all.
Fantastico.
I'll start by fixing your microwave, then I'll chop you into tiny pieces, dumping the leftovers in a ditch somewhere, and then maybe extend your warranty for a year. Okay?
What? I'm sorry?
What?
What was that last bit you just said?
I'll extend your warranty.
Oh, yes.
Aye.
Of course. Gary, why is the door closed? Oh, I fucked it, Joseph. You know the friend that I invited round to fix the microwave? Yes. It's not him, Joseph. No, Joseph, please. No,
Who the fuck are you?
What the fuck is that? Oh my god. Oh, fuck. Shit. Ass. Fuck. Tits. He's gonna have to go, Gary. We're gonna have to get rid of him. Yes, we'll go talk to him. Yeah, that seems perfectly reasonable. Where'd he go? Right. Hold on a minute. Where'd he go? this is a bit much. Yeah, that. Hey, this is a bit much. This is. Oh no, man. This is getting a bit much. I must admit. I'm not fucking with that, man. I'm not fucking with Chucky. Oh fucking hell, man. It's yeah. Fuck. How about I have a look around over there while you have a look around over there? Whatever, Gary.
Ahem.
Oh, hello?
Alright.
Where were you?
I get back to my van to grab my special tool.
Oh. Really?
Aye.
I see.
We'll just be going now. We'll leave you to it.
Just
Yes?
carry on with that. Yes.
No problem.
Brilliant. Wait a minute. You took 2 minutes to climb 900,000 stairs to grab a tool?
You're very smart, pal.
Oh. That looks rather lethal, actually.
Run for your life,
Come here, you wee
Joseph.
bastards, yous.
Fuck you, you little shit. Fuck
I'm
this.
gonna fucking kill yous.
Fuck this little shit. This is fucking fuck. Get out of our house, you little shit. Fuck off.
Right. There's nowhere you can run from me now.
Oh, he's gonna fucking kill us, Gary. Oh, all the things I wanted to do in this life about to be snuffed out by a little ginger shit. Fuck. Shit. Fuck. Joseph, I have an idea. What? I'm about to do something completely unprecedented. Well, it better be a bloody good idea. I'm going to remove my scarf, Joseph. Gary, you never take that thing off. I better take cover. Listen here, you little prick. You've tried my hand, puppet. Prepare to die. Serves you right, you little shit. You killed him, Gary. What do we do now? I don't know, kick it down the 900,000 steps that we have. I don't fucking know. You wrote the episode.